There's an AI tool quietly doing work people used to pay designers for. Here's what it does well, and the part it still can't touch. Stay for where it falls apart, because that part matters most. The tool is Recraft. You describe a logo, an icon, or an illustration, and it generates it as a real vector you can scale and recolor. Why it matters. Vectors, brand-consistent styles, and readable text in one place. A week ago, that was a paid brief. Now it's a prompt. Here's the honest catch. It nails a first draft, but it doesn't understand your brand story, and revising by wording gets frustrating fast. A human designer still wins on taste, nuance, and knowing what to leave out. So who is it for? Solo founders and creators who need clean assets today. This isn't the death of designers. It's a new starting line. That's the tool, the hype, and the honest limit. The link is in the description. I only cover tools after I've tried them. Follow for the honest version first.